Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Colesville. Local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a licensed moving company in Colesville. We have about decades of experience in providing seamless moving services. Whether you are moving to another city or crossing the borders, we are always ready to assist you in your journey. Our movers are well trained in making your long-distance move a lot easier. Hiring a local moving company for your move might seem unnecessary. However, moving even a few miles is a big task. Just think about the time and effort it will cost to pack and move all your stuff from one place to another. With a professional moving company, you get a crew ready to make your move go faster and save you from dealing with heavy lifting. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Colesville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.